Alright, so let's do the jig style now. This is pretty darn easy here. This jig happens to be from Kelly. I've used it quite a bit and it works out pretty well. So the concept behind the jig here is that these sides come out and you can very easily take out the frames. At the same time, the springs on the side hold in your sides that go through here and here, and everything is kept square and stable while it has a chance to dry and set up. So take your sides, slide them in the side here, and if you pull this spring over just a little bit on the other side, it makes it pretty easy to get these in. The pad here on the side holds these nice and firm. I like to go through and make sure all the sides are nice and straight up and down. You don't want it all crooked, but jig does really well at keeping things nice and square. All right, using Titebond 3 again, great stuff. And just like we did before, we're going to glue, put a big old dab on each one of these. And we just pop these into place. Here we go, all the tops on. Now we come back and make sure they're nice and tight. And we come back with our nailer or your regular nails, either way works fine. Just again, be careful about splitting them if you use a regular nail. Now, great thing about this jig, holds everything all really nice and tight. You just flip this over. Here we have our bottom to work with. You got to push this down just a little bit. There we go. Make sure everything's still nice and straight. And we will glue again. And we have our bottoms. Pop these in. There we go. That's it. Now we're just going to set this off to the side, upside down, just like we do with the other ones. Set that off to the side, and we'll come back later and take it apart, but pretty much that's it. Really easy.